In our last video, we created this test case for the white pawn, for white pawns en passant, okay? But for us to test this on the simulator, we still need to implement the move, right? To make this move happen. Oh, maybe we can test it, yeah. So without this one being moved, okay, let's give a try. Yeah, we can test that. I just realized we can test this scenario actually. So let's put this pawn quickly to there, and this is irrelevant to our problem. And now here, now this is irrelevant. So normally we cannot do this, right? Yeah, it's not allowed. And we cannot do this, right? Okay, now let's test it. If we put a piece here, so now can we move to here? No. But can we move to here? Yes, it works, right? And yeah, this is irrelevant. But can we move back? Of course, no. So we need another let's do another one, like, okay, so put here. This is just to change the whose turn. So let's go here. So this time let's test this one. Can it move here? No. Can it move here? Yes. Okay, now we have another scenario to test. Okay, so let's go back here. So this time let's do this, okay, and put it here. So when it enters this area, right, this is not we cannot do en passant here, right? We cannot. Yeah, we cannot. And we cannot do this. Okay, so let's move something here. Now let's move this guy here. So this is a valid en passant, but this is not, right? Even though we have both like black pawns right here on both sides, but this one is valid. Yeah, so now the only thing we need to do is to remove this guy in our move. Okay, so let's do it, and we can test that. We can test it here. We can assert after we make the move, right? So assert true, so it's movable from here to here, and then let's make the move. Game dot move piece from, yeah, it's doable. So this is can move, so we can just copy it, right? Can move. Okay, so we just move this. Okay, now we can assert that this guy here should be empty, right? This should be captured. So, and this is not empty. And so let's put the important thing first. So xct assert nil. So game dot piece at, the destination is this one. No, this one is 4 3. 4 3 has to be emptied, and xct assert not nil. Okay, game dot piece at, this one has to be not nil, right? 4 2. Great, let's test it. one will fail, the other will be fine. So let's see what happened here. Yeah, this is what we need to make to implement now. So here is right game engine move piece. So after we get the after we have the last move, we can do the logic for our en passant. So en passant, we need to get rid of this one, the last moved piece. So if let last move, okay, because last move equals last move, yeah, so this one will be non-nil, and we let's test the this very scenario first, okay? So it will be so moving piece, okay? So so last move we need to get out the piece, yeah. So let last move the pawn equals yeah, piece at last move dot 2 column and the last move dot 2 row, right? This is the pawn, and the pawn has to be a different color. So last move the pawn dot is white, has to be different from moving piece dot is white, yeah. So here is our destination, here is the last destination, and we can remove the pieces, remove the last move the pawn dot remove last move the pawn, right? Is it good enough? Do we miss any condition here? So last move is a different pawn, okay, so it's a pawn with different color, and our cardinal one has to be a pawn, right? Some piece at that, and we have to be a pawn. So moving piece dot rank has to be a pawn. Do we need this one? Last move, yeah, because otherwise other piece can move this from here to here. Can move. Let's go. Okay, now let's test again. Oh, still failed. The problem is here. This last move becomes the current last move. It has to be the real last move, so wrong order, so we have to put this one here, right? Now this last move is really Yeah, this is the real last move. Now let's test it again. Yes, it works. And we can make sure it is not near before the move. Okay, not near, not near. Okay, so run it. That's this time it's Command U to run all the test cases. Yeah. So now let's try to test on the simulator. So this guy, so this is irrelevant. Oh, okay. So we can do here. What? This piece is gone. This piece is gone. Okay, that's the bug. That is the bug. So it means let's fix this bug. So last move, yeah, last piece has to be moving piece is that, and okay, last piece, last moved pawn has to be pawn. Yeah, dot rank equals dot pawn. Okay, now let's try it again. So same thing here, and we'll do the same thing here, like that. Okay, so this time let's try En Passant. Oh, now this one is gone, but this is not En Passant. Wow. Okay, the current one for the En Passant, right? The current move has to be diagonally. Diagonal, okay, diagonal. So let's add that condition to fix that bug. Okay, so let's add that one. If that piece don't, and ABS last move. Last move. Oh no, it's not last move, this move. So is from column minus to column has to be 1, and ABS from row minus 2 row has to be 1. Okay, so normally we need to create the test case immediately for that, but it might take a while. So let's try this again. So we'll follow the original testing path. Okay, this one, and now let's move one step there. So this time it goes here, right? So last time it killed this guy. Okay, now it's fine. So we can now En Passant here, and we should be able to En Passant here. Yes. Let's create a test case for this scenario we encountered before we fix this bug. Okay, so let's create one like for that. So I'm not sure how to express this now. Oh, so we initialize the game. Initialize game. Okay, So we have all the pieces. So where is that? We don't have it here, so let's print out. Let's print the game to get the, yeah, all 32 pieces. So this one is like that. Okay, so move to it, move. Okay, I know that. Okay, so let's run this one to get our output of the game board. So command shift Y, yeah, we'll create this one here. Oh yeah, I have an idea. I know how to do it one by one like that. So we can, yeah, we can print another one, right? So, oh, why it's like that? It doesn't make sense. So let's copy 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the first one will make the pawn, right, to here, and then I'll copy this one. Interesting. The indentation is different. I'll command I. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Nah. Okay, anyway. That's not good. So the second one is I moved this one to here. And then when I moved the pawn again, the knight disappeared. The black knight disappeared. So it's like when I move this to here and this guy disappeared. This shouldn't happen. Okay, so let's move it like game dot move piece from the first one here is 5, 6 to 5, 4. So 5, 6 to 5, 4, right? 5, 6 to 5, 4. And the next is knight from here 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0. So 1, 0 to 2, 0. Then we make the third move. Here is from 5, 4 to 5, 3, right? 5, 4 to 5, 3. Yes, 5, 4 to 5, 3. And this shouldn't be nil. This shouldn't be nil. So XCT assert. Not nil. Okay. So game dot piece at. Here is 0, 2. Yeah. Oh. What is the second one? So 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2. Okay, so 0. Oh, sorry, this is wrong. Is 0, 2. Wow. Okay. So 0, 2 shouldn't be nil. 0, 2. Okay, let's run it. Command U. Yeah, do we have a print out thing? Okay, so we can I'm curious, so just make a copy and print it again and command U again to see the difference. Okay, so this one is here and that one is there. the last two here. So here to here. Okay, yeah. We don't need that. This is the scenario we encountered before we fix the bug. The next one is like, let me show you the next one. The next one is like when we move this one to here and this one to here, and now this one to here. Okay, so when this one moved to here, this disappeared. That's the other scenario we fixed without a test case. So now let's start from here. Oh, we can reuse something. Let's make a copy of the whole thing here to modify it. So the next scenario is like, so we do need this, and we do that, we need that, so we move this one. Okay, so we need one more. So now this guy, right, move to here, and this guy shouldn't disappear. We fixed that already. Now we are creating the test case to guarantee the move, the logic. So to guard the correct logic. So this time we make the second move. So this time is 4 1 2 4 3. 4 1 2 4 3. 4 1 2 4 3. So now this time another not neo, right? Should be this guy. 5 3. 5 3. Yeah. So that's the destination of this one. Command U again to make sure everything is fine. Nice. Okay, so we can double check. So if we remove this part, so like if we remove this part, cut, then command U, it should fail. Yeah. Yeah, right, this failed. So it means the fix is for, yeah, this shouldn't be killed by that because this is not en passant. Yeah, so now let's put it back here using undo. Okay, now command U again to test it. Nice, it passed, right? Yeah, all green, and if we check the output, see here is 0 failure. Okay, that's great. Thank you for watching. See you next time.